Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable sensitive content in your search results on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the latest PC update. If you've been scrolling through your feed and noticed some posts aren't showing up, or your search results seem filtered, this is probably why. Thankfully, there's a quick fix, and I'll guide you through each step. First, open the X app on your computer. If you're logged in, you should see the main dashboard right away with your home feed on the left-hand side. Now, look for the main menu on the left toolbar and click the option labeled More. Once you click More, a new menu will open. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account and content preferences are managed. Next, open the Privacy and Safety section. This area controls what type of content you're exposed to and how your account interacts with others. Inside Privacy and Safety, click on Content You See. This controls what appears both in your feed and in search results based on your preferences. Now, head into Search Settings. Here, you'll find a checkbox labeled Hide Sensitive Content. If this box is checked, X will automatically filter out tweets that the platform marks as sensitive. To show all content, simply uncheck this option. Once you've unchecked it, you're done. There's no need to save manually, it updates instantly. You can refresh your feed or run a new search to confirm that sensitive content is now visible. This setting is great if you want a fuller, uncensored view of what's being shared on the platform. Keep in mind, though, that enabling this means you may come across media that isn't suitable for all audiences, so adjust it according to your comfort level. And that's it. You've successfully enabled sensitive content in your X search results on PC. If this helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this one.